Dear, you can see before delivery, all of our machines like this. The up and the bottom mode is not close. Right. Some distance about here. This is a wire connecting. This is three wires. If this is first time to add this wire, you don't know whether the motor is forwarder or reverser. So we can first time we can connect these three wires firstly, then put foot in this up direction. If the machine is up, that means the wires is correct. If you put up but the machine is down, that means your motor is reverser. So we need to change two wires. Any two wires change the direction. Then the motor is forwarder. You put up, then the machine will up. You put down, the machine will be down.